Jai Siya Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video we are going to learn how to give a speech in English on Independence Day. Because you know, the Independence Day is around the corner and yes, there are so many students, there are so many people, they have to give their speech in English on Independence Day. So because of scaredness, because of hesitation, because of low confidence, they don't want to give their speech in English. So first, if you have a chance, if you have an opportunity to speak in English in front of the public, so first you have to grab your opportunity. So this is the first step that you have to do. Grab your opportunity. And here I am going to give you a speech. First you have to listen this speech very carefully, minimum 10 times, and after that try to speak out loud with the same intonation, with the same rhythm. In this way you can easily give your speech in English in front of the lots of people. First you have to do this. Now after that you will realize that your confidence level is here. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you for English. So without any delay, let's get into the topic. So if you are a student, so you have to say, respected chief guest, principal, teachers and all of my elders and dear friends. My name is Rita. As we gathered here to celebrate our 78th Independence Day, my heart is filled with pride and echo of Bal Gangadhar Tilak's slogan, freedom is my birthright and I shall have it. As we all know that India gained independence from 200 years of oppressive British colonial rule on 15 August 1947. This day reminds us sacrifice made by our brave ancestors for our freedom. We stand here enjoying the fruit of their struggle. Independence is not just about a fan, a flag waving high in the sky. It is about to dream, to learn, to achieve. As students, so we are the future of our nation. So each of us carries the responsibility to nurture our talents and contribute our efforts to progress our India. And each of us remember to those who fought for our freedom and for those who continue to protect it. So let's cherish the unity of our diversity and work together to make our country even stronger. So as we celebrate today, let's promise to uphold the value of peace, equality and progress. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. So this is a very short and wonderful speech. If you are a student, then please try to listen this speech minimum 10 times and try to speak out loud. Try to do practice minimum 10 times. Okay, and once you give your speech in English in front of lots of people, then your confidence level is here. And yes, if you get confidence in English, then you can easily learn this language. Okay, now I'm going to share with you another speech, and this is speech for the pupil. They want to give their speech on any school, any place work. Okay, so first of all they have to say, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and a very happy Independence Day to everyone. So as we today we gathered here to celebrate our 78th Independence Day, and yes, all of us, we have to feel pride, we have to feel patriotic. So patriotic is a wonderful word, patriotism is a wonderful word, and yes, there is different meaning. So the I think the best meaning of patriotism is to feel pride. To feel proud when we hear our national anthem anywhere. So we feel very proud. We feel proud when someone from the abroad asks me, where are you from? So we can say, I am from India. So we feel proud. We feel proud if someone represent our country as India and they won. We feel proud when someone selling a flag before Independence Day. So we feel proud. Now, this is the patriotism. This is a we feel patriotic at that time. And yes, this is a day reminds us that the sacrifice all the people they had made for our success, because we are the youth, so we are the future of our country. Now, the patriotism, you don't need to join army. You don't need to fight with neighbors. You don't need to join yourself in an army. You need to give your support for your country, for nurture our talent, and by the help of our encouraging the people that those they want to need some help, they want to need some support, so we can do support, and in this way we can easily contribute the progress of our society, because we all are the Indians, we are the citizens of our country. We born here, we brought up here, so this is our responsibility to carry our responsibility to help others, to work together, and in this way we can easily give our support for our country, for the progress. Okay, we feel very proud, and this is a very short and yes little step, but if everyone do this short and little step, so this will be convert into the giant step. And yes, we feel very proud if our country is all over the world. We known as a Indians, we known as a yes, this is a Indian, this is a Indians, so we feel very proud. Okay, so yes, that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like, to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.